Hello everyone, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm going to talk about an amazing ICO. The name of this ICO is Syncfab, and it is trying to do something that no other ICO has done before. Syncfab is going to be the first ICO that is going to decentralize the manufacturing. It will be the world's first peer-to-peer manufacturing supply chain. The pre-sale has already ended and the main sale is undergoing right now. So I normally do not start with the team when discussing an ICO, but oh boy, Syncfab has an amazing array of awesome advisors. They have people who have worked at MySpace, eBay, PayPal, JP Morgan, UCLA, and even Apple. You see, if you do not have a great team, you're gonna have a really hard time in making your project a success. Alright, now let me tell you what is Syncfab and how it is going to disrupt the manufacturing industry. So the Syncfab was established way back in 2013 and it has already developed an online decentralized buyer to manufacturer platform that aggregates all the orders and sends requests directly to the manufacturers that matches the buyer's requirement on the smart manufacturing blockchain. By this, they totally eliminate the intermediaries. They do this by making use of Ethereum smart contracts to streamline the procurement process. This saves a lot of time and manufacturing mistakes and delays. So how does this work? The manufacturers list their machining capabilities straight on the Syncfab platform, and then the hardware buyers can send their part orders directly to them, to the manufacturers. Since everything is stored on the Ethereum smart contracts, this guarantees production standards. It also protects intellectual property and guarantees payments. And this is how they are decentralizing the entire manufacturing process. So in the ICO, you'll be getting something called MFG Token. And one Ethereum will get you 5,000 MFG tokens. There are going to be total of 1 billion MFG tokens. Out of 1 billion, 30% are allocated for the token sale, 30% for the partnership adoption pool, 15% for the Syncfab, 10% for the team, and 15% for the ecosystem health. So what benefits do the MFG token brings to the table? Well, to the buyer, you get cheaper and higher quality codes from the source. Remember, there is no intermediary involved. So you're buying directly from the manufacturers. The manufacturers, on the other hand, they're happy because the smart contracts guarantees them payment. This totally eliminates the marketing costs as well. This is because the manufacturers are able to directly communicate with the buyers. This way, they're able to focus more on the quality. The buyers too feel very secure because everything is going through a smart contract. So in the end, less headaches for both buyers and manufacturers. The Syncfab has undergone partnerships with big firms. This includes big names like US Department of Energy and City and Country of San Francisco. And there are a lot of other big names as well. So as I said earlier, the ICO is undergoing right now. The main token sale has already started. If you get the MFG tokens in the week first, that is right now, you'll get 15% bonus. If you get it in the week 2, you'll get 10%. In the week 3, you get 5%. And in the week 4, you get 2.5% bonus. So while for each Ethereum you spend, you get 5,000 MFG tokens, but there are heavy bonuses associated if you get them in week 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. By the time you see this video, the soft cap would have already been reached. So if you're interested in this amazing ICO, you should hurry up and hit the link that I've given in the description down below, or you can yourself go to blockchain.syncfab.com. I truly think that this ICO has some serious potential. They have an amazing unique product. The token has some really nice value associated to it, and most importantly, they are backed by seriously talented individuals. And personally, team matters the most to me. If you do not have a great team, you cannot make a project successful. It also provides assurance to the investors that yes, the big people are associated with this project. and that is what makes this a legit ICO. So that's all about it. I hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency and ICO news. Bye bye.